And good afternoon, Facebook. Drone, Ohio is no longer Drone, Ohio. We are now Drone, Pennsylvania. We are down in the Berg. Got a pretty little sky behind the skyline here. I've always enjoyed this city. I think it's a very, very, very pretty city. And the bridges are awesome, and the tunnels through the mountains are cool. As always, be sure to like and follow the Drone Ohio Facebook page. Check out droneohio.com and Drone Ohio on YouTube. Even if you live in Pennsylvania, join Drone Ohio. We have a lot of fun. That's all we do is have fun. That's our motto. Drone Ohio is always having fun. So here's the... these aren't Roebling bridges. No, these are the bridges that are styled after the Silver Bridge, which... didn't have a very good ending, but these were slightly different in design, I do believe. Very, very pretty bridges, and a very nice backdrop to PNC Park. Check that out. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. Take a picture while I'm here. PNC Park, and they do hit home runs into the river, which is kind of cool. So if you enjoy what you see, share this out on your timeline so others can see all the fun things that we do. Like I said, just out here flying over the river, checking out the skyline, and of course the ball field. There we go. We'll climb a little. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I've always liked the skyline. We are just short of 400 feet. We'll get that picture. Hey, John, from Streetsboro. John is always from Streetsboro, because I think John lives in Streetsboro. And there's, I'm not sure what that building is called, but it's one of the more prominent ones in the downtown area. Then there's a nice park. I think I'm going to run over to that park and check out that park. And of course, Three Rivers Stadium is just down there to the right. There's Three Rivers. Oh, I'm getting old, Mary Beth, hey. You like that, huh? Pretty cool, pretty cool. Elizabeth from Cove, Texas. She's one of our regulars. We're going to make this short and sweet because I am running out of battery. Yeah, let me take this picture real quick. Gotta get the bird back down on the ground here in a minute. Take another picture of the stadium from up high. Very pretty stadium, and I could imagine sitting behind home plate and looking at that view with the yellow bridges in the background and the skyline. Very nicely laid out. Like I say, you would get a view of these bridges and that skyline. So cool, so cool. So once again, folks, I am going to sign off. As always, Drone Ohio is having fun. You guys have a great day. What is it? Today's Saturday, I think. Yeah, there you go. Have a great day, folks. Drone Ohio is out.